What's up, everyone? Today I'm hanging out with Addie Biggers and Ashley Chastain, and we are out here at Timms Ford Lake, which is kind of, I wouldn't say a secret, but it's not a secret to people who are in Nashville. But if you're moving to Nashville and you're looking for a place that has lake living, this is a great option. If you don't want to be $1 million plus on the lake, you can buy that down here on Timms Ford Lake. Plus, it's going to be a lot more quiet. A lot of really cool options down here. And this is a listing we're going to check out today of Addie and Ashley's. I just kind of want to walk you through it just so that you can get an idea of maybe somewhere that you hadn't thought of if you're thinking about moving here and you want that lakefront life. So Ashley and Addie are going to tell us about this listing. We're going to talk about the area. So what's up, guys?
Thank you for having us. And as she said, there aren't a lot of opportunities to have a house on the lake with a private dock for under $1 million. But what we have is truly what we believe is an excellent value. It has 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, a 3rd level on the bottom that can truly be whatever you want it to be. Loads of potential there. And this lot is just incredible. And with it being surrounded by a lot of houses that are over $1 million, you have the opportunity to add on to it, tear it down, make it your own. And I think that's what I really like about it. What about you?
That's my favorite part. I would definitely consider adding on. I do love the character that this house brings, though. We didn't mention yet, but we have an A-frame house.
Very
cute. It has its own dog. I just love it. It's so peaceful out here. I could really see a family adding on to this and making it their own.
Yes, and the lot size is just under 3/4 of an acre, so really large, wide and long lot. And as we walk up, you'll see that if you're someone who likes to work out but not go to the gym, you won't need a gym. This is all the stair climbers that you'll ever need.
Yep. And that's pretty typical on the lake. A lot of times you will find more slope lots going down to the lake, which can be a good thing if you don't want, water coming up to your house. But this house does have a dock. It is lakefront. You can see some of the lake. We've got some drone video for you of the lake here. It's just an absolutely beautiful lake. Tons of options, of things to do around here, especially for the outdoors if you're an outdoor lover. So just all around, a lot of really great things about this house and this area. And it's only an hour and a half-ish to Franklin and, Nashville, anywhere really, unless you're going north. So if you're going north, it's going to be a little bit farther, but great location.
Yeah, perfect distance, perfect little getaway to just get away from Nashville, from Franklin. What I also like is I can never do videos without mentioning food. I think you guys will catch on easily. But what's nice is you can take your boat from the dock and take your boat to some of the best restaurants around here.
I love that part. If you ever get the lake life experience, part of that is taking your boat to dinner.
Yeah.
Nothing beats a night out on the water.
Yep. Well, and I grew up in East Tennessee, in Knoxville. So many things revolve around the lake there. Going to dinner on your boat, just going to activities and spending time out on the lake. So, there are awesome lakes closer to Nashville, in Nashville. So you've got Old Hickory and Percy Priest, but those tend to be a little bit more crowded. And so if you want something that's a little bit less crowded, a little bit more peaceful, you're going to find that down here on Timms Ford. So it's kind of the best of all worlds and still really close. So,
Agreed.
And you do have all those options, the options of the food and the golf course. And,
That's right.
Yeah. So tell us a little bit about some of the things around here too.
So there's a couple really great golf courses. Of course, that's what I like to mention. There's 2, one at Timms Ford and another one not far from there. But one thing I want to mention that we hadn't mentioned is the drive here is
beautiful,
absolutely gorgeous. It's countryside, just the peace you get coming here, and then you get this whole peaceful experience while you're here. I just thought that was worth mentioning because you can't beat the ride here.
Yeah.
No. And then there's also waterfalls and parks. There's the state park right off of exit 111 on your drive in here. It's about 35 minutes away from here. So definitely, if you're outdoorsy, you like the water, you like waterfalls, you like to hike and get out and be active, this is definitely a great location.
It's true. Yeah, we've done those waterfall hikes and they are very cool. People love those. So a lot of really great hikes down here. I didn't even think to mention that. So yeah. As we said, this house does come with its own dock. So if you're not familiar with the lakes in Tennessee, they will sometimes let water out of the lakes in the wintertime, bring it back up in the summertime. So what you're seeing on this video is the water is going to be a little bit lower right now. As we get further into the summer, that water line will come up and these boat docks will be floating on the water.
Pontoon, a fishing boat. The folks who own this property, they love having their boat here. They have a covered parking space that they added, which is a very nice feature, where it's large enough for them to park their pontoon and still have room for guests.
Yep, that's awesome. Okay guys, let's go check it out. And as we come up, there's Addie. You've got this great outdoor space right here. This could be anything, don't you think? You could do like a whole bar area out here, would be really fun. They've got their grill there, obviously, but you can see you've got your garage and your covered parking up there. Come in your front door and you've got these super cute spiral stairs that go all the way up, which we're gonna go take a look at that in just a second. You've actually got 3 levels of decks here, which you're gonna see again in just a second. We will go out there in just a minute and take in those lake views. But you've got 3 bedrooms in here. You've got 1 bath, 1 half bath. Got this cute little kitchen here. And then there is a downstairs level also, and that is where your laundry is gonna be located right now. And that actually could be a room that you finish out down the road if you wanted to. But this is gonna be your showstopper right here, your upstairs porch. Again, there's another porch upstairs. You've got 1 downstairs. So you've got 3 levels of outdoor living. So 3 levels of places to entertain. So you can see that right there. So cute. Love an A-frame house. These are so cute. So yeah, just really pretty out here. Outdoors is where it's at the lake. And back inside, let's go take a look at the owner's suite. So you've got that right here. And you've got your owner's bath right here. And let's go ahead and take a look upstairs as well. And like I said, you can finish out that downstairs area if you choose. You can make it into a bedroom. There's currently laundry down there, just like whatever you want to use it for. Okay, so when you come up to the top of the stairs, you've got the 2 bedrooms. So cute. We're going to go over into that one in just a second. Really, really cute, but I love these little A-frame bedrooms. Such cute character in here. You can see you've got this. You've got closets up here on both sides, and then you're going to have your bathroom, which is going to be located right here. And then this bedroom is so cute. Wait till you see this little porch out here. So you've got all this room in here, and then go out here onto the porch, and then just take a look at this view. So cute. So you can see you've got a little sitting area out here. And you can just sit out here and take in this view. You can see the patio down below. So there's actually 3 levels of porches and patios here for you to, get this lake view in here. Really, really pretty. But these little rooms are just adorable and so precious up here.
Jen, thank you for coming out to take a look at this house with us and featuring it on your channel.
Yes, thank you for having me. It's absolutely beautiful out here. Love it out here on the lake.
We're so glad you came.
Yep. If you have questions about this house or any other house, or just, lake living in general, or moving to Nashville, don't hesitate to reach out. You can call, text, email, however you want to get in touch. There's also a Calendly link in the description. All of our contact information will be in the description as well. If you want to reach out to any or all of us, you can do that with questions on this house or any other. We'll be happy to get you answers to that. We've got a lot more great content coming out soon. A lot more neighborhood tours, video tours, all of that is coming your way. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can see those when they're coming out. But yeah, I mean, this is beautiful out here on Timms Ford Lake. It's just a really great opportunity to be somewhere that, otherwise it can be harder to find a great lake property in Nashville. Yeah. And so the price point on this one is pretty great. So
absolutely. We're excited to show it to you guys, and we're excited to see who gets to call this place home next.
Yeah. And takes us out boating.
Yeah.
So that could be you. Thanks so much. And we'll see you on the next video.